ウィスコンシン州メクオンの交差点で4台が絡む玉突き事故が発生。事故の原因となったドライバーは31歳のブライアン。普通は事故処理をするんだろうが、こいつはなんと現場を逃走しやがった。そして警官は奴を追跡するところから始まる。
4 vehicle 1050. Yes.
I did it on purpose. And he ran to the gas station. The guy that drove the Mini. He did it on purpose.
What does he look like?
Shorts. I can meet you over there, but send somebody over there.
Okay. Do you want to take the crash? I'm going to go over there. Okay. Let me look at it quick.
Flat hoodie on, shorts, sunglasses, white.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Yep. I'm getting word this 1050 was caused intentionally. I'm going to be out with the subject that ran from that crash at Lincolnshire and Mequon. Come here. Come up against the car. .923 Ozaki. Subject's running southbound on foot. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Stop! Get on the ground! Nothing works! Get on the ground! Get over! Stop fighting! Please stop! You're all of us! I can't hear you! I can't hear you! No! Let go! I'm so strong. I'm as strong as my taser. God is with me. God is with all of us. God will protect me, Brian. I'm Brian. God will protect me. From you. From you. From everyone. God is with me. Just hold him right here. Every inch of the earth. I can't see you. I can't see you. You're gone. There's no such thing as a gun.
なんだこの男は。普通はテーザー食らったらおとなしくなるはずなのに、こいつはなんでこんなに元気なんだ。しかも通行人のヘルプがあった上でのこれだ。マジで神に守られているのか。
Vision. You need to get on the ground. You can't see me. Stop. Please stop. Subjects possibly on some type of drugs. Subjects still southbound on Lincolnshire at gunpoint. Still walking away. Stop! He's bad in old seat. I'm out of cartridges.
Here, Terry Station 91. We'll roll the engine. 13 up here. You need some taser. People in Station 1 need to be in jail.
Stay on the ground, bro.
いつまでも鬼ごっこをしているわけにはいかない。一人の警官が奴の進路を塞ぐように動き、他の警官らは奴の背後の林の奥へ入っていった。いきなり全方向を囲まれた奴は袋のネズミ。制圧は秒読みだ。
You okay? Yeah. What's going on, dude?
You guys believe?
What's up?
I believe.
What's up?
I believe in God.
So do I.
Yeah.
He's a good person.
He's a good person, and I love you guys.
All right, I appreciate that.
I love you.
Let's get out of the snow, man.
I love you.
Let's go. All right, let's get out of the snow.
All right, okay.
Come on.
You too. You go ahead.
We're gonna walk with you.
Walk on.
Walk with. Hey, let's get to the side of the road. Come on. What's your
God
name?
is in you.
Hey, what's your name, bro?
If God strikes you down,
What's your name?
God will protect me from you.
Yep. Keep walking. About it at the road.
Mom,
Keep walking.
It's okay.
everyone out
Let's-
of my head.
It's okay.
Your anxiety.
Let's get out of the snow.
Let's get
Rusty's not real.
Okay.
I've never seen this before.
Okay.
My name's Brian.
Brian.
Can you leave me here and let me dream?
We're gonna walk out.
I've never seen
Walk
this.
down the road.
You guys don't even see me.
No.
Oh my gosh, what's over there? Huh? What's over there? Ah! Ah!
We hope.
Ah! God! 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 God, help me!
help me!
Brian.
God! Help me! God, help me!
God help me! Get these people off of me!
Sit down.
They don't have your strength! They're powerless without me! They're powerless! Stop touching me, you can't touch me!
おいおいブライアン、お前には一体何が見えてるんだ。いきなり誰もいない方向に向かって神様って叫ばれるとびっくりするじゃないか。まあこいつはおそらくラリってるから何かが見えているんだろうな。警官も大変だ。
You're under arrest.
Brian,
We're here to help you.
do not touch Brian.
Okay. Brian, we're here to help you.
You touch Brian, but I can touch you!
Let go of
Sit him down. Sit him down. Oh my God! I can feel it. Get down on the ground. Put him down and rescue.
Can't you feel it?
Sit down.
Ow!
Sit down.
Ow!
No.
Ow!
Back. Let's go
You're all burning!
back. Let's go back.
Yep.
All right. Put him on the side. Stay on your side. They can get him with the stretcher.
Everyone here with nefarious intent in every molecule cell has to leave.
Brian,
Forever!
help you.
For all of eternity!
Brian,
You can't help! You can't help Brian! Please don't! So just come back!
You're okay.
Brian.
We're here.
Please don't kill me!
We're not going to
No
kill you.
one's
so
going
many
to hurt you,
times.
Brian,
I
okay?
can see all of you.
Brian,
We're here to
it's
help
all
you.
right.
Time to calm down, Brian, okay?
Brian, we're here to help you.
We want to get
We're just stay down.
okay, Brian?
We'll have an ambulance come.
We have rescue coming. You okay, Brian?
Huh?
Brian,
No, he got me under the chin with the taser, though.
I mean, this dude's got probes on. I don't know how none of it worked.
Did this to me.
It's all right. Brian, it's okay.
Brian.
We're going to get you in the ambulance. I think we need to get you checked out, okay, dude?
I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine.
All right.
ようやく応援が到着したようだ。こんな極寒の中、警官の上着が半袖なのは置いといてやっとブライアンを制圧できた。だが奴はとんでもないことを口にしだす。
Okay, just relax. We got some fire guys here. They're gonna check you out. Make sure you're all good, okay?
I'm drugs. I'm totally sober. There's no way.
Okay.
I was just going for a walk.
Do you have any medical problems at all?
I'm good, other
Any
than what happened to me by you.
I know.
There we go.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go, pal. Good job. Thank you.
Awesome. Hey, don't you guys see me?
I see you.
You know me. You've been here before. I called the cops on you. I live 3 doors down. Not on you. On my neighbor who was being super loud.
Okay.
You recognize me.
Okay, let's go, Brian. Let's walk, Brian. Let's follow him then. If you recognize him, let's follow him. Follow him.
We're good, Brian.
Do you see?
I'm not Brian.
What's your name?
I'm Hank.
What would you like me to call you?
Hank.
All right, Hank. Let's walk right over there to the
My
road.
name is Hank. I'm
Hank?
a middle-aged father
Okay.
of 3 girls.
Okay.
I'm about 5'7", but like,
I'd say 6 foot. You're taller. 5.
oh no, I'm not.
Let's walk. Let's just. All right, let's walk.
Get you out of the cold.
There you go. All right.
Take a walk. Brian, we want to get you out of the snow, out of the cold. Keep moving.
There you go. Keep moving. You're almost there. Keep going, Brian. Or Hank, whatever your name is.
God is with you. God is with you. God is with you. Put your butt down right in that crack. God is with you, Captain Ryan. God is with everyone. All right. I don't know the names.
All right.
God is here in this bed.
Put your hands, bud.
God
Put
is
your
here in
hands.
your hands. This is all Brian's street.
こいつ、自分のことをブライアンと言ったり、ハンクと言ったり、挙句にはキャプテンライアンだと。てめえの中には別人格が何人もいるのか。絶対にお薬か精神壊れちゃった系だよな。この後救急車の中の映像に映るが、その中でもこいつは爆弾発言をいっぱいかましちゃうぞ。
earlier today at noon, I had. Oh, mushroom slice. Ah, okay. I love mushrooms.
Mom, you can see me. Mom.
Bells off.
God, it's gorgeous. Look, God is here.
And we're
God
gonna
is
move you.
here.
We're
You
gonna
can
move you.
see it. You saw it. I know it. God is here. You guys can all see the truth. No, please stop, doctor. Please don't hurt me.
I won't. I promise you, I won't hurt you.
Nobody.
I'm here to help you.
Just let me go.
I'm here to help you.
He's having so manic.
Hello! Hello!
Hey,
Brian. See?
Calm down, Brian.
Probably keep their straights.
That was. Did you hear? See?
I did not, but I believe you did.
This isn't not just alcohol. There's something else going on with it.
Look at me, Mom.
Hey, you need to sit down. Okay?
Oh my God.
That's not your mom.
I can see you. Still there.
She's right there. It's okay. She's okay. She's my boss.
She's good people, I promise you. Okay.
That's not true.
Do you have an issue with females right now?
You're in my... Get the f*** out of here, you ugly...
That would be your mother?
I don't know. You guys are putting me through something.
Okay. Do you remember a car accident today, Brian?
No.
You do not remember a car accident?
Nope. I don't...
Think back, Brian. Think back, right? You told me you woke up in your bed and go.
You can keep trying.
I'm gonna keep trying, Brian. You got in your car, you drove to Wisconsin. For what purpose did you drive to Wisconsin?
I love you.
Okay.
I love you.
Do you remember a car crash?
I do.
What happened? We're trying to figure out what happened, dude. You swerved?
And I didn't see the car in the other lane, and I was just in a lot of shock, and I don't remember what happened after that.
Do you remember why you swerved? Was there something in the road? Was there another vehicle? What caused the swerving?
Well, it was snowing, and the road was kind of wet.
What happened after the crash? Did you pull over? Did you stop your vehicle?
It was so debilitated that I just stopped anyway, you know?
後日の報告書によると、ブライアンは事故当時シラフだった。だが統合失調症を患っていて妄想状態にあったと。そしてそんな状態でシカゴの自宅からウィスコンシン州まで運転していたんだが、そのことを全く覚えていなかった。果てはテーザーをぶち込んできた警官のこと、てめえを誘拐しに来た犯人だと思ったんだってよ。もう怖い怖い。てめえは精神病が治るまで車を運転するな。どこかで絶対に大惨事につながるから。そして奴はひき逃げや暴行、脅迫などの複数の罪で起訴された。保釈金は日本円にして約800万。どこから出してきたのかわからないが、きっちり払って釈放されたんだ。いやいや出てくんなよって話だよ。保釈金を高めに設定したのに出てきちゃったよって法務執行官も思ってるよね、きっと。そして最終的な刑罰はというと、懲役10ヶ月と保護観察4年。多分こいつはシャバに出たところで根本原因を何とかしない限りまた同じ過ちを繰り返す。無理やりにでも精神病院にぶち込んでやらねえと、今回みたいに無実の人が犠牲になる。俺はこういうやつを何人も見てきたからそう思うんだ。まあ結局は人権がとか言って無理なんだろうがな。みんなはどう思う？